Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to manage Assist Plus mode. In the beginning, select Assist Plus mode from the modes wheel. Now, you can zoom in or out. You can select Creative Assist, Creative Bracketing, or Advanced Assist. Next, you can manage megapixels and size of the photo. Next, you can select Preset, manually blur background, change brightness, contrast, saturation, color tone, or select monochrome mode. And that's basically it. In the end, you can change between single shot, high speed continuous, low speed continuous, or you can enable timer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.